we are going to do, I'll conduct a quiz. Okay, I'll ask few questions and I'll tell who to answer. Please, I'll ask somebody to answer. You will not answer in group. Okay, so I'll call the name. What is the full form of GPS? The satellite based navigation and location system. Kinjal Yadav. What is the full form of GPS? Yes, Kinjal, please answer. Kinjal Yadav. Okay, she left the meeting. Okay, Abhimanyu Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, answer. What is the full form of GPS? The satellite-based navigation and location system. Yes, Abhimanyu, please answer. Okay, mute yourself if you don't know the answer. Vaishnavi. Yes, come on. Full form of GPS. Vaishnavi, you are not audible. Please unmute. Vaishnavi, unmute. You have muted your mic. Now answer.
Ma'am, global positioning system.
Very good. It's global positioning system. Very good. Clap for her. Okay, that's it. That's it. Next question. In the Ramayana, who cuts off Supnakha's nose? Yukti Gupta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
In the
Lakshman.
Ramayana. Yes, Lakshman. Very good. Clap for prompt answer. Children, you don't need to clap like this. Whenever I ask you to clap, please 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay? Okay. Now the next question. Which subspecies of tigers is the largest of all? Aditi Balasaheb. Which
tiger.
No. Which subspecies of tigers is the largest of all? Aditi, wrong answer. Araf Behel.
Ma'am, African.
Yes, Araf.
African.
No, beta. Wrong answer. Yes, Ritwik.
Ma'am, Siberian.
Very good. Clap for him. He's already ready for the quiz. Good. Okay. What has a neck but no head? Okay, some.
Ma'am, coin.
Wait,
Ma'am,
no,
coin.
please, no. Don't answer like this. Nikhil, come here. Somebody from
Ma'am,
offline
please tell
class now.
me.
Wait. What has a neck but no head?
Ma'am, coin. Ma'am, bottle. Ma'am, bottle.
Who is saying bottle?
Ma'am, bottle.
बोतल किसने बोला बोतल? बेटा आप किस स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? शिवांश तिवारी, शिवांश तिवारी, आप हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ते हो बोतल, और आपका ये हिंदी पीरियड है. प्लीज से बॉटल. Bottle.
Ma'am, bottle.
Bottle has a neck but no head. There's a neck. Neck है इस bottle में. Neck से ही पकड़ा है ना? Neck but there is no head, right? Bottle. Okay. In the 1900s, which sports equipment manufacturer trademarked a game called ping pong, a game based on table tennis? In the 1900s, I repeat my question, and Tanvi Maurya will answer. Okay, I repeat my question. In the 1900s, which sports equipment manufacturer trademarked a game called ping pong, a game based on table tennis? Unmute, Tanvi, unmute yourself and answer. Yes.
सिंपल यहाँ से ठीक है बस क्विज खत्म हो जाए तो जीके का
Yes, Tanvi, answer.
100 रुपए है 50 रुपए का मिलता है
Oh, who is there?
क्या पूछ रही
Tanvi, you don't know the answer. Mute yourself. Samarth,
मैम
I
व्हाट
pass over this
आंसर
question to Samarth.
मैम व्हाट इज आंसर
Wait, Tanvi. Now, Samarth, I pass this question to you. Listen to the question again. In the 1900s, which sports equipment manufacturer trademarked a game called ping pong, a game based on table tennis? Yes, Vaishnavi.
मैम हैमले ब्रदर्स
Hamley Brothers. Very good. Clap for her. Only 3 times I said. Okay. Next question. Children, you people are not studying. Kindly study. Yes. The response is not good. I am not happy. Who started the car company Ford? Yes, Bhavisha.
हैनी फोर्ड मैम हैनी फोर्ड मैम
Shivansh
हैनी फोर्ड
Tiwari, I will mute you. Shivansh, now I will not allow you. I am disabling your mic. This is the second time you are doing this. I said I will call the name. Please, no answers like this. Nobody is supposed to answer like this. Yes. Henry Ford. Learn properly. Go. The answer is correct. Answer is Henry Ford. Okay. Yes, children. Children, there are many children those who have switched off their camera. Why? Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Okay. Now the next question is, this source of renewable energy does not depend on the weather. Paridhi. This source of renewable energy does not depend on the weather. What is the answer? Yes, S. Pranshada.
मैम हाइड्रो एनर्जी
No, this source of renewable energy does not depend on the weather. It's geothermal energy.
ओके मैम
Okay, it's geothermal energy. Very good. Well tried. You are a new admission. Very good that you have tried.
Thank
Better
you.
luck next time. Okay. Where was Mahavir, the founder of Jainism, born? Where was Mahavir, the founder of Jainism, born? Yes? Raise your hand who knows the answer. Ayushi Yadav, answer beta.
Ma'am, Vaishali, Bihar.
Vaishali, Bihar. Very good. The answer is Vaishali, Bihar. Clap for her. Good. Which is the most visited Hindu temple in India?
Gujarat.
And who is that, by the way? Pujata, answer beta. Which is the most visited
Yes.
Hindu temple in India?
Ma'am, Golden Temple.
No. Golden Temple is not a Hindu temple. Most visited Hindu temple in India. Golden Temple, हम उसको बोलते हैं Golden Temple because it is a place to worship, but it is Harminder Sahib ji, right? It is a Gurdwara. Okay. Anyways, a Hindu place, Hindu temple.
Ayodhya.
No. Which is the most visited Hindu temple in India? Yes, Pranchuda was raising. Yes, Pranchuda.
Tirupati.
Yes, it's Tirumala Tirupati. Clap for her. Tirumala Tirupati temple. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Then, which city hosted the 2014 Asian Games? Which city hosted the 2014 Asian Games? Shibam Das. Shibam Das. Priyanshu Mehra, you are there in the quiz also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Incheon, South Korea.
Yes, Incheon, South Korea. Very good. Clap for her. Priyanshu, when I was talking about quiz, you were there? No, you were not there,
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know that you have to come on Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to prepare till which chapter?
Ma'am, I know.
Okay. Good. Good that you know. Okay. Who is the author of the famous book, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo? Aditya Bapurao Gaikwad. Answer beta. Who is the author of the famous book, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Aryan Trivedi. Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Only Vaishnavi. Why? What about others? They are not studying. Okay, Vaishnavi.
Your question.
Who is they saying? Ayushi Yadav is saying. Who is the author of the famous book, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo? Vaishnavi, answer beta.
Stieg Larsson.
Yes, very good. Clap for her. Okay. Here. In New York, if New York has Wall Street, What does Mumbai have? If New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have?
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट करो.
If New York, beta karo nahi bolte, please repeat the question. Please talk in English. I hope you know that you are studying in an English medium school. Please talk in English. If New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? Arab Behel?
The gateway of India.
No, we are talking about street, beta. The famous street. New York की famous street है Wall Street. तो Wall Street जैसे famous है New York में, ऐसे मुंबई में कौन सी street famous है?
मैम
Ayushi, yes.
Dalal.
Dalal
Dalal Street.
Dalal Street. Very good. Clap for her.
मैम व्हाट इज आंसर?
Who? Dalal Street, beta. Listen to it carefully, please. Be attentive. Who became the youngest and first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in 2009?
Ma'am, I know.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन.
Ma'am, I know.
First, let me see who will answer. Kesar.
Ma'am, I
Kesar
know.
will answer. Now listen to the question. Who became the youngest and first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in 2009?
Ma'am, I know.
Wait, beta.
Chanda.
Yes. Priyanshu.
Yes,
Answer,
ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am, Chanda Kochhar.
Wrong pronunciation. Yes, anyone else who can pronounce it correctly, pronounce the name correctly? Yes, Vaishnavi.
मैम चंदना कोचर.
Chandana Kochar. Well, it's Chanda Kochar.
Ma'am, Chanda Kochhar.
She's Chanda Kochar. Not Kochar, Kochar. Chanda Kochar, okay? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, मैम.
But learn the pronunciation also, Priyanshu.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you should know how to pronounce the names or certain words correctly, please. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You often go cross country. You take part in BMX biking or jet skiing. What will be the correct answer? You often go cross country. You take part in BMX biking or jet skiing. Aditi Bala Sahib.
Yeah.
Lalit.
Yeah.
Rajeshwari. Pranshuda.
Yes. मैम BMX biking.
Yes. Why you have switched off your camera, beta? And there are many children, those who have switched off their camera. Please don't do it. Yes, it's BMX biking. Very good. Clap for her. Good. So that's all for today's quiz. I hope you all enjoyed. Those who have not learned properly, kindly start learning. I will, keep on taking such quizzes.